Hello, friend. You're welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day or a night wherever you are. Um, we are currently on our ES6 series, and today we'll be looking at how to create an export fallback with export default. So we are still an import and export, so don't feel bored, right? This is very important. In the exports lesson, you learn about the syntax referred to as a named export. This allowed you to make multiple functions and variables available for use in other files. There is another export syntax you need to know known as export default. Usually you will use this syntax if only one value is being exported from a file, right? It also used to create a fallback value for a file or module. So this is an example of using export default. So we could have export default function at this export default function. Yeah, the first is a named function and the second is an anonymous function. Yeah, I believe we've looked at anonymous functions are just functions without names, okay? So this has a name add, but this does not have a name. You can see it here. Since export default is used to declare a fallback value for a module or file, you can only have one value to be a default export in each module or file. Additionally, you cannot use export default with var let const. Okay, so you could only have the key thing to take here is that you can only have one default export in every file, right? So the following function should be the fallback value for the module. Please add the necessary code to do so. So we want to just simply use export default here. And then whenever this file is being called, this is going to be whenever I import this file right into another file, this is going to be like the default function. This might not make so much sense here, but just know that for this particular file, the default export is this function, right? So this is how it's declared, and you can have just one in a file. Don't get you could also have other functions exported, but you can only have one with this default keyword, right? So we'll talk more about this in the next lesson. Let me run our test and we are good to go. Perfect. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Kindly like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Bye bye.